Hi there, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about and showcase some of my favorite tech toys. So today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Smart Ring. So I'll do the unboxing so you can check it out, and I'll also tell you what it does. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so let's get it out of the box so we can check it out. So we have another box here. Looks like a jewelry box. Open it up. Ooh, and there it is. So here we have USB-C cord to charge the case. And we also have some paperwork, Samsung's quick start guide, terms and conditions. So this is the charging case. Comes in, looks like a little jewelry box, pretty nice. And we open it up, and there's the ring. The circle light indicates the charging status. Let's take the ring out. And there it is. This is the gold titanium. Pretty lightweight. Looks like a regular piece of jewelry. Pretty slick, nice. And that's everything that came in the box with it. Put it back on the charging case, and it's charging. Okay, so how does the ring work and what does it do? So first, you'll need to download the Samsung wearable app onto your phone, and that's how you'll pair the ring to the phone. So if you have the case open like this, it should auto-detect it, but if not, there's a button in the center here. You press and hold that. It'll put the ring in pairing mode, and then your phone should detect it then. Next, you'll need to get the Samsung Health app, and that's how you'll track all your health activities. So what does it do? So it tracks all the basics like your steps, your heart rate, your stress levels. It auto-detects workouts, which is pretty cool. But my personal favorite is sleep. And that's what I use it mostly for, and it works great for that. For battery life, I get about 2 days on this, which is not bad. The case has fast charging, so it fully charges in about a half hour or so. So battery life's pretty good so far. My understanding is the ring is mostly optimized for Samsung phones. So I use it with a Galaxy Fold 7, works great there, but I'm curious if anyone's using this ring with something that's not a Samsung phone and what your experience is like. So that's about it for this one. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see other videos and tech toys that I do and some of my travel videos. And as always, thank you for watching.